Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you're looking to start making money online with Bitcoin, but you don't want to lose your shirt and maybe you're afraid, you're kind of scared to kind of jump into this, well, I want to help you to start figuring out how you can start making daily income with Bitcoin, and we're going to do it right here, and we're going to do it like a total boss. All right, so look, you've come online and you've seen the craze going on with cryptocurrencies, and you've seen it just absolutely taken off. And let me tell you, cryptocurrency is the future. It's a new technology that's allowed individuals to start to take their own finances into their own hands. Okay, it's giving the money back to the people. Okay, now before I get into this video though, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell option hit that bell. That way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. So cryptocurrency, like I said, it's given the power back to people, right? It's given the ability to, there's no central location for all the money. It's given the power back to the people with this money, okay? So it's definitely the future, but right now there's just so much craziness going on with it that people are getting taken. Bitcoin's, something that you could take and put it into a wallet and you could secure it. You have your own bank, okay, with cryptocurrency. But you want to make money with cryptocurrency, and there's just so many things going on out there right now. And let me just tell you right now, when you take your cash and you go to like Coinbase and you buy cryptocurrency. Now, what they do is inside of Coinbase, all right, what I recommend you doing is getting it out of Coinbase and getting it into a secure wallet. I use a program called Ledger. Okay, it's what it is they send you like a USB drive, and that USB drive connects with your online wallet, and this is the most secure way of doing this online. And you have a simple an app on your computer, and you also have an app on your phone. So what it does is it connects the two, and it makes sure your Bitcoins are safe. Okay, here's the thing with Bitcoin, and you want to go out there and you want to make money. The only way you're going to really make money with Bitcoin, you're going to increase your Bitcoins, there's two ways. You're going to sell something, okay? You're going to sell a product or service, and then they're going to pay you in Bitcoins. And two, you're going to take your Bitcoins and you're going to try to invest it into, kind of a semi-cryptocurrency stock market type thing, right? We've always seen the Forex. You can go to the Forex, you take your currency, you can trade up and down with the Forex. But right now what we have trading accounts inside of very good online trading brokers. Poloniex is one of them that I use. I use Poloniex a lot. Bitstamp, I believe, is another one. There's a bunch of other ones right now, but I use Poloniex because they've just been around, seem like, for the longest. So I use them to trade accounts up and down. Now here's the key with trading your Bitcoin. And let me just say before I jump into this, there's a lot of crazy scams going on right now, okay? And it's just sad seeing what's happening right now, but there's so many of these fake companies, fake websites that pop up and say, hey, we're going to invest your Bitcoin for you. And if anybody tells you they're going to invest your Bitcoin for you, you got to run for the hills, okay? Because they're going to take your Bitcoin and they're going to close down and you're not going to see it again. So here's what I tell people. If you give your Bitcoin to somebody else to have them invest it for you, it's gone. It's done. You got to take responsibility for your own Bitcoin. You have to really do this, okay? And the only way that you're going to feel safe with this is, number one, it's in your wallet, and you can trade products and services for that coin, or you can put it into a trusted, exchange, okay? A place to bet on the markets, a place to try to buy low, sell high, okay? Sell high, buy low, whatever you want to look at it. There's ways to invest and make money and increase your cryptocurrency. Okay, so I beg you, don't give your money to some fake website that says they're going to invest your money, you're going to earn 1% a day. Okay, they're taking your Bitcoins and they're going to be gone, and you're going to be frustrated, and you're just going to think it's crazy. Okay, so here's what you want to do though. You have a trading account inside of, let's say, Poloniex, and you want to trade on the market. So if you buy Bitcoin at, if you have Bitcoin at 7,500 and then it goes up to 800 and you sell it out, you make a profit, okay? But if it's at 7,500, drops down to 6,000, you're losing your Bitcoins. Okay, so this can go up and down. It's still kind of a gamble. You have to kind of bet where the market's going to go. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? And that takes an art. It takes a skill. And what it does, it takes you the ability, if you really want to get into it, you have to lose some money. Okay, it's just you have to lose some money. You have to have money in there that you can play with and not worry about it. So how do you do that? Well, you have to have a big enough trading account in order to really make some gains, because you want to make daily income. You want to be able to take that income and go buy bills and buy food and travel and have fun and do all that good stuff. And you got to be able to have a big enough account and money account in there that's you're able to trade with that, and then have those profits being able to take them out and spend with them, or leave them in there and you trade and you just grow and grow and grow. Okay. The thing is if you're like at a job and you're working and you can only set aside maybe $100 to put in there, and you only have a couple hours to get in there, it's going to be tough for you to build that account up. So what I tell people to look is do this, and I do this on my channel, and I tell people all the time, is to start getting into affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing is going to give you the nut. It's going to give you the cryptocurrency. It's going to give you the account that you need. It's going to give you the cash flow that you need. Okay, if you still are working your job and you work that job, don't take that money from your job and try to put it into the trading account, your little $100 that you could set aside. Take your job, pay your bills with that, pay whatever you need to do, but have affiliate marketing online that's going to give you that cash. Take that cash from affiliate marketing, start putting it into your trading account. When you start making a couple $1,000s a month with affiliate marketing, and you take that and you put it into trading accounts with cryptocurrency, it's gonna go crazy. Okay, it's just absolutely going crazy. So affiliate marketing is where you start. That's where you start. You don't start with like crypto and you try to make money with crypto. You take affiliate marketing and you take those profits from affiliate marketing and you put them into your crypto account. Maybe you only take like 10% or 50%, whatever you want to do. If you want to do 100%, that's fine. Whatever you want to do. I'm just saying, start with affiliate marketing, and you take affiliate marketing and you put it into your crypto account, so then you can start to play around with it and learn from it and understand the different where the charts are going, and how you can read charts, how you can look at the different charts, because it's going to be so much easier when you have like $50,000 in Bitcoin into a trading account, right? And then if you lose like $2,000 or $3,000, it's okay. You're not going to be stressed out. But when you only have $200 in there and you lose 150 of it, you're going to absolutely go crazy. Your mind's going to just be like, oh, I can't handle this no more, right? So, and it's going to affect your trading. You have to go in there and trade with a clear conscience, and you got to have an account in there that has funds that you can play around with and learn with. The only way you're going to learn with cryptocurrency is getting in there, investing for yourself, and doing it yourself. Okay, you have to take responsibility for your own crypto. Don't be sending it to somebody else and have them invest for you. Okay, it's gone. You got to take responsibility, and you got to put it into a trading account, and you have to trade that account yourself, and you have to learn from it. You have to make mistakes. You're going to trade, you're going to get into a trade, you're going to buy another one of the altcoins, right? And all that altcoin is going to tank, and you're going to be like, what the heck? I don't know what I'm doing. But you're going to learn from that. So then the next time you buy an altcoin and it skyrockets and goes up, you're going to say, wow, I knew how to get into the market, and now I know how to get out of the market. Because what's going to happen is it's going to go up, and you're going to be, yes, I'm making profits, but if you don't get out of it and you don't take your profits, it's going to tank back down and you're going to lose everything. Okay, so affiliate marketing is where you start. You start with that. You take products and services and you start promoting them. Right now, we're still stuck in the US dollar world. It's just, we've been stuck in this for 100 years, and finally we're getting to a point where we can start changing that out. Now, when we get to the point where you're taking products and you're promoting products and you're getting paid in cryptocurrency, that's really going to be fun. And it's going to be fun when you get to take that cryptocurrency and go to your grocery store and actually spend that. I mean, that's going to take a little bit of time. We need to get to that point. But affiliate marketing, right now, you sell a product or you promote a product, you're going to get paid in US dollars. They're going to pay you in the currency of your country, right? If it's euros, wherever you're at, but they're going to pay you in that currency. Mostly right now it's US dollars. But eventually it's going to get to the point where you're going to promote a product and you get paid in crypto, right? So now you can take that crypto profits from affiliate marketing, put them into the trading accounts, and then you can promote those trading accounts, okay? So just understand that in order to start making $100 a day with crypto into a trading account, you got to have a big enough volume in there, a big enough account balance to be able to make the trades. Because if you're just trading like $5 here and then you make like, $2.70, that $2.70 profit is not going to really get you where you want to go. But if you start promoting affiliate offers and those go crazy and then it builds up, you have a big enough account, okay? Again, just all of these other things that are going on, these companies, these websites, they pop up, they say, we're going to give you, we're going to take your currency and we're going to go out there and we're going to trade it and you can earn 1% daily. There's just no such thing as that. There's no way you can get into the Polynex trading, trade your own account and make 1% profit daily. Because there's going to be days where you might make 3% profits and then you might lose 6% on the next day. Okay, so then what does that average out to? Now you're negative like 2 or 3%. Okay, so it's going to go up, it's going to go down, but you have to learn how to do that, and you have to learn how to take some profits, get out, take some more profits, get out. And if you take a couple of hits, that's okay, that's fine. But your account's big enough, you're not worried about it, you're making money with affiliate marketing, and you put that into there. Eventually what will happen is affiliate marketing is going to take off for you. You're going to have to do great with that. You're going to start to get your trading account going with cryptocurrencies. That's going to start to take off. You can finally walk into your job and say, hey, I am done with this job. I'm done with you. I am a master at affiliate marketing and I'm a master at cryptocurrencies now, okay? That was a lot, I know. If you want to get some more information about affiliate marketing, click on the link in the description below, take you through, give you some more training on how to set that up, how to get affiliate marketing going in your daily life. So if you like this video, click on the like button. Also, share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. I hope you enjoy that, and we will see you on the next one.